Middle. Kaasi now to Melencio. Corner pass. Cross inside, lumipad. Bakit? Kick. Number 88 is Prince. Goes inside. Bakit? Number 13. Bam. Ulum. Talsik si Idolo. Inside pass. Away. Bullseye. First block. Welcome to Abra Intertown Solid North Pargilis Cup and first ball possession for San Isidro. Kayab inside pass, falling away, bullseye, first block is stolen. 1-on-1, number 13 Bumangga, pass rejected, rebound putback, and the long pass, reverse layup. And 25 drives, kicks out, open for 3, won't go. Rebound San Isidro. Melencio. Inside pass. Liz, basket and one. Show between the legs, he's slowly dribbling the ball, he passes to the middle. Kaasi now to Melencio. Corner pass, King. Goes inside, lumipad, bakit? Kick. And here's Tim Danglas. And here's number 25 Agkayab at the top. Pass to Melencio to King. Agkayab. Pass to Melencio. Goes inside sa gitna. Pull up J. Bullseye. Melencio. And a pass to the corner. Agkayab. Pass back to Melencio. Melencio goes to the screen. He stops. Bounce pass to the middle. Kaasi to King. King fakes. Inside pass. Bump. Reverse layup. Abelia with a finish. Ang last. Number 88 spins. Goes inside. Bakit? And here's Melencio. Goes to the 3-point area. He attacks to the corner. Agkayab pull up J. Bakit? Agkayab. Stolen. And number 13, stop pull up dyan sa free throw area, bullseye. And 15-5. And to King, sa gitna, pull up J, short. And here's rebound. Ang last, umatake, number 13 na naman. Sa gitna, lumipad na. Bakit? Sinigawan pa si Rep. Kaya, stops, bounce pass, Kaasi, kicks out. Melencio, short. Rebound, Melencio. Melencio drives, kicks out, open 3, bam, Dani. Here's number 13, bam, ulum, talsik si Idolo. Agkayab now with the ball, he's at the top, goes to the wings. Agkayab, pass to Melencio. Inside pass, Abelia. Here is number 13 now with the ball. Corner pass. Pass to the wings. To the wings again for 3. In and out, rebound. Another at the free throw area. Won't go. Paasi to Melencio. Melencio. And God goes to baseline. Corner pass. Open. Wide open for 3. Bakit? Rebound. Bound. 13. Pass to number 23. Floater of the window. Bakit? San Isidro. High pass. Melencio. Inside pass. Pull up J. Bakit? Motwa. Possession. Sporting Danglas. Bulda. Deep 3. Bang! Dani! And here's Danglas. I-pass. Number 13. Bump. Create space pa. Una. Libre. Here's number 13. Balda for 3. Nagid. Rebound number 2 to Bulda. Side step. Pinoy step. And the finish. And recover. And here's number 18 for Danglas. Liz. Bakit tinapor pa? And deep 3. That's Bulda stops, pass to the wings. Bulda inside pass. Picks. And Picks. Great space. Reverse layup of the window. Move. Still, San Isidro up by 1. Abella to number 14. Pass to Melencio. Stop pull up. J. Bullseye. Up by Pacunyo. He stops. Deep 3. Bang! Pak! Here is Tim Danglas. He stops. Pass to Lalin. To the corner. Number 18. To the middle. Number 88. He attacks. Corner to Bullseye. Laur. Pacunyo. He goes to the middle. Pass to Melencio. To the middle. 4-3. Bang! Motuano. And it's number 21. Side step. Fires. Bakit? Melencio stops. 4-3. Bang! Dani. And it's number 21. Laureta deep 3. Nugget. Rebound. Melencio to the middle. Open 3. Abella. Bang! Off. And 25 to the middle. Oh, and is Melencio stolen. Melencio pull up J. Bakit Melencio? And the pass. Here's number 8. Goes to the middle na tabigan. Melencio pa rin. Melencio back to Melencio. Number 13 for Tim Danglas. Corner pass. Pass back to the middle. 4-3. For the backdoor inbound. Bounce pass na libre. Perfect. Melencio. He stops to the middle. Kaasi. Where Pacunyo stops. Pull up J. No good. Rebound. Para sa Tim Danglas. Number 13. Stops. Bounce pass inside. Reverse layup. Yes sir, of the window. Melencio goes to the screen. Bounce pass. Abella picks. Corner pass. Pull up J. No good. Rebound. Kicks out kasi. Melencio. Bang! From the backdoor inbound. Number 13. Bounce pass. Floater. No good. Rebound. Hook shot rejected by Kaasi. And number 13 is spin move. Blaze. Oh! Melencio cross the mid lane. Setting the play. Slowly dribbling the ball. High pass. Pacunyo. Pass to King. To the middle. Caught for 3. Nugget. King rebound. Kicks out. Melencio goes inside. Pull up J. Bakit? Melencio. Number 13 with the ball. Pass to the wings. Pass to the middle. And it's corner. 3. Bang! Pacunyo ang balis. Inside pass. Akala ko dakdak na yun. Number 13 po na sapatos. Sumegway. Pull up jumper at 3. Bang! 3 points. Baseball pass. Melencio. That's Bulda for the inbound. Here's number 13. Cross the mid lane. Pass. Corner pass. Number 88. To number 13. Laureta for 3. Bang! From deep. Melencio. Abella. To Melencio. Melencio goes inside. Pull up J. Bakit? Number 88. A pass. Big spins. Laureta to corner for 3. Won't go. Rebound. Oh, bakit? Attacks. Floater. Left-handed. Tinapal mula sa ring. Oh! Melencio drives to the hoop. Stays. Bakit? Melencio. And the pass. Bilar. And Laureta for 3. Bang! Lauret. And fires. And inside pass. Kasi recover. Fires off the window. Bakit? Abel. And spins. To the wings. Fires at 3. Bang! 3 ball. For the inbound. Melencio. Pacunyo. Abella inside pass to King. Pacunyo. Pacunyo great space. Naulok pass inside. Oh! Dolan. And the pass. Laureta, easy to Laureta. Show against number 23. The first pass at 3. No good. Rebound by Abella. Abella inside pass to Kasi. Oh, tumalsik. May Paulo. Melencio. Pass. Pacunyo for 3. No good. Rebound. And 2 on 2. Number 23, Bulda. Hook shot. Bakit? Pacunyo. Pass to Abella. Posting up. Abella. Corner. Open 3. Bang! Melencio. Number 13. Pass to back to rebound. Pacunyo. Corner pass. King. Pass back. Pacunyo. Between the legs. Sasayaw. Pacunyo goes to the wings. Attacks. Pull up jig. No good. And this number 13. Bounce pass. Lace. Bakit? Melencio. Goes to the screen. Attacks. Stolen. Pass break. And all alone. Bulda. Easy bucket. Bulda. Melencio. Between the legs. He pass. Bounce pass to the middle. Lace. Motuano. Yes, sir. Number 13. Pass to Laureta. Number 88. Pass. And the Queens for 3. Won't go. Oh! Disgrasya. Melencio. Long pass to the King. And pass up. Oh! Laureta to the middle. For 3. Bang! 3. And the pass. Laureta behind the back. Stop, pull up, J. Bullseye. Pass. Melencio. Tumbaga. Melencio inside pass. Ang gandang pass. Nun? The connect. And Sumegway. Attacks. Vampire. Bakit? Talsik si Idolo. Melencio. Between the legs. At the logo. Pass to the 3-point area. Mutuano. Pass at 3. Bang! And posting up. He spins. Nakalusot. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Tumbaga. Pacunyo. Deep 3. Loop. He stops to the logo. Pass to Melencio. Goes to the screen. He stops. Oy. Cross the mid lane. Pass to Laureta. Inside pass. Number 18. Posting up. Number 13 to the middle. Open 3. Bang! Dani. 179. 8-point lead. Melencio. Stops. Kicks out. Motuano. Bullseye. Mutuano. Melencio. Attacks. Vampires. Bullseye. Basket and 1. Number 13 now. For Team Danglas. Stops. Corner. To the middle. Laureta picks. Number 13. Drives. In Pinasa. And fires off the window bucket. King. Pass to the wings. Picks. Tumbaga. Floater. Bucket. Tumbaga. Pass to the middle. Mutuano. Holds the ball. Drives. Pull up J. Mutuano. And 2-on-1 ang laban. Rondo. Oh! Rondo. The inbound. Team Danglas. Number 13. Bounce pass to the wings. Fires at 3. Bang! 88-78. Melencio spins. Bump. Corner pass. Fix. Tumbaga. Lost the handle. And it's number 10. Pass break ngayon. Number 18. Oh! Mutuano to King. King dribbling at the wings. Pass to Melencio. Melencio spins. Drives. Inside pass. Libre. Abella. Melencio spins. He pass. Kasi. Melencio. Corner. Abella. Kaasi. Open 3. In and out. Rebound King. Fires. No good. Tips in. Oh! Corner 3. Bang! 3 po. And number 13 drives. Pinasa. Far short. Rebound. And fakes to the middle. Open 3. Bang! 3 po. 5-point lead. 4 team. Oops. We almost lost. Melencio. Nakalusot. Pinabitin. Good. Takes in. Bakit? Number 13. Drives. Bump. Lace. Natapikan. Ipas. Melencio. Melencio. Melencio with the ball. Because akalusot. The floater of the glass. Bakit? Melencio. Number 13 drives, lost the handle. 6-9 yung score natin. Melencio at the logo area. Melencio. Melencio between the legs. Spins, goes to the screen. Attacks, falling away. Not good. And rebound king, kicks out Melencio. Decided to take it easy. And pass to Pacunyo, attacks, sidestep na kalusot, bakit? Oh! Bounce pass, inside pass, bakit? Tabi niya, oh! 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 Technical si Idol! No, technical! Bound for Team Danglas. And pass. Stop for 3. No good. Put back. No tips in. Bakit? And here's number 13. Stop. Pull up jet 3. Won't go. Rebound. Gate at the basket. Congratulations, team.